Hey guys, welcome to another video. Verizon, Samsung Galaxy S21 and S21 Ultra 5G models have been leaked. It shouldn't come as a huge surprise, but parallel with the Android 11 update for the Galaxy S20, the Samsung is also working on bringing its new One UI 3.0 interface to its next best thing, the Galaxy S21, that will likely land at the end of February. Tucked in Samsung Galaxy community forum in Korea is posting that dissipate all the expected three 2021 S series phones, the Galaxy S21, 21 Plus and the S21 Ultra, or whatever the Samsung names them. It makes sense that the Samsung is starting with Verizon firmware, given that the big rats had stayed so far from the 5G pack that its mmWave 5G network requires special modem and antenna in exclusive phones that are usually denoted with the UW suffix for ultra wideband. There isn't much more to the history, and we hope it holds the water in the end, as it's not unprecedented for Samsung future firmware to leak so far in advance. The Galaxy S21 is expected to bring some grand camera and display upgrades, so we will be all the ears for upcoming leaks. Unfortunately, the particular Galaxy S21 SMG991U model number already leaked with just a 3880 mAh for battery, and yet the next in the line is SMG996U that is supposedly the Galaxy S21 Plus, appears to carry a 4660 mAh of a unit that is larger than on the predecessor, the Galaxy S20 Plus. The Galaxy S21 should have also the fastest upcoming 16GB of a memory pack and a 5nm Snapdragon 875, but there will certainly be other goods in the store to be revealed when their time nears. Oh boy, it is coming with a 16 gigs of RAM, and that is going to be one of a hell of a memory, and most of the laptops which we are currently using right now doesn't have a 16 gigs of memory inside. Having such a device will mean that we doesn't need to have a computer for processing of our high tasks. So guys, what do you think about the upcoming Galaxy S21 leaks? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here and wanting to keep yourself updated regarding the latest news, do consider subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.